Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Screw Money, and today I will show you app. It will pay you a good money, but as always, click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so don't miss any of my future videos, and give me a quick like and let me know what you thought of the video. Let's get into this. So the first money making app that I want to show you today is called Poshmark, and it is a website where you can go to list these different things that you want to sell on here, but it is very specific different categories where people can go on and buy goods that you no longer need. And there is man that's made, I think, $8,000 a month selling on Poshmark, so that's fantastic. If you need some quick cash, it is app where you can definitely make some money. So how it works and what you need to do: so step one, you need to list what you want to sell, so take a photo to what you want to sell. Step two, share it on the site. You can share exactly what you are selling, which usually goes through the network through Poshmark. So you have got stuff that you can sell, you have got clocks, you have got shoes, and you have got makeup, and you have got dresses, and there's brands as well, so many different things. And if you want to sell no longer need that, you can go on the site called Poshmark and you will be able to sell that item if you have a lot. I highly recommend it and people are making good money. And here is how it works: take a photo and upload to your closet in less than 60 seconds right from your phone. Share listings to your network for shippers to discover more sharing, more sales. Shipping is easy with our prepaid level, and you will get cash in your pocket when the item is delivered. We have got your back reduced payments if it is not what you ordered. We generate to give your money back. Expedited shipping: all order ship via USPS. Priority mail with our prepaid level. Shipping has never been easier. Free authentication: shop with confidence. Posh Authenticate offers free authentication on luxury item. You will be able to sell that item if you have a lock. I highly recommend it to you. So let's get into the next one. So the next app that I want to show you is called Fill Agent. Now Fill Agent is a company that will send you a text or give you some instructions to go out and complete the task, and they will actually pay you money for that. It is very simple and very effective, and you can make a few dollars just by shopping and doing on your errands any day of the week, just like you would as normal. So I will scroll down and show you very quickly in the FAQ exactly what is required from yourself. So if you have a look here: when will my job be reviewed and paid? All jobs must be reviewed by our quality control team before the funds will be available. Usually this doesn't take long, but sometimes when we have a very high volume of jobs in the system, it can take a few days, eventually depending on different system requirements. Some jobs may take longer than others to finish the review process. Rest assured, we have a dedicated team that works day and night 7 days a week to get jobs reviewed as quickly as possible. If your job is taking longer than usual to finish the review process, please know that this doesn't necessarily indicate that anything is wrong with the job. It is likely that this job simply has different review requirements, so it is taking a bit longer. Please note that our property audits tend to take a bit longer than other audits to finish the review process in our system. This may take up to 5 days to finish our review process. You can check the status of your job submission by clicking earnings and the urgent menu at the bottom of your app. For more information on checking your submission status, check out our article here. How do I check the status of my submission? And the big question is, how much do you get paid? So you will be paid between $54 per hour and complete a job for Fill Agent. So again, very simple and very effective, and they are legitimate jobs where you go out and complete simple tasks and do your own reviews. There is people making decent money off this, and when I say decent, it is free money. When you go out and you are really doing something, but you are going to earn that extra dollar from these apps from doing very little. How do I cancel a job reservation? From time to time you may receive a job that looks interesting only to decide that you can't or just don't want to complete the job. Maybe there isn't enough time, or you have decided the job is too far away. Whatever the reason might be, we have added a simple means by which you can cancel a job reservation. Keep in mind, whenever you are unable to complete a job as requested, we highly recommend cancelling rather than submitting expecting in certain circumstances listed below. This helps make sure you don't get any denials on your account that can negatively impact your agent statistics. Canceling a job reservation. If you need to cancel the reservation, simply swipe left on the reserved job in your active work section of the app. When you swipe left on the job, a cancel button will appear. Click that button and the reservation will be cancelled in our system and removed from your app. What happens when a reservation is cancelled? When the job reservation is cancelled, the job is marked as available again, and other agents nearby will see the job opportunity in the research agent again. The job will become available for them to reserve and complete. What about my points? Statistics. Cancelling a reservation will not negatively affect your agent score or statistics. We want you to feel comfortable cancelling a job if you ever need to. So in the app's main menu, you need to click the cash out feature, and there you will see a secure method of direct deposit, and it goes directly into your account. So the next app that I want to show you is called Fob, and what Fob does, it is actually allows you to make money from the photos that you take through your day, which is fantastic. And all you need to do is download for App Store or Google Play. Very simple. And what it actually does and how it works, all you need to know. So all you need to do is upload your video and your photo. Pretty much easy to earn money online. So when a brand or agency or anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or picture from your online portfolio, they share the profit with you, which is good. And now you can sell your videos or photos from $10 to $50, and you are going to draw to win a little bit money. So this is just another app that can obviously pay you money, and it is another way of using your phone to make money. So it is good. There is different idea that they need for different brands, and then what you need to do is you need to take part in this video and come up with creative ideas for creating photos that they will use for the company. And then if your photo gets paid or if your video gets big, then you make money from it. Is very simple and one of the easiest way to make money using your phone. So as you can see here, simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. When a brand, agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or photo from an online Fob portfolio, we share the profit with you 50-50. It is actually allows you to make money from the photos, take part in create video and photo missions for brands, and win hundreds of dollars. Submitting a video or picture to one of our missions is an easy way to make your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the brand is after. Like I said, quite simply, all you need to do is go on and sign up. It is a great way to turn your videos and picture into money, and it is very simple to download, and there is a lot of people doing it. It is actually a very good company as well, and as you can see here, proud of your works, share them with the best brands of the world. So these are just some of the brands that actually using people just like you and me, and there are some companies that have been using like Volvo and Nivea, and they have been doing this for a very long time, and it is just the average person that's gonna out and take a photo. And I saying if a big company picks it up, you'll earn a lot of money. So very simple way if you are looking to even make a little bit more money, but also if you are looking at expanding into this sort of marketing. So it is very simple way to make money. So get started with Fob. It is another app that will make money. All you need to do is download the app and get started today. And I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit a like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.